guys, it's Jasmine here. I'm chilling right now on my bed because I got bored. I'm like, why not vlog today, you know? Because I haven't vlogged in like 2 months. Yeah, since like October. And now it's December, and literally in October I said I would start making more videos and more vlogs, and I kind of like abandoned my channel for a bit. Something has changed since the last time I filmed a video. I changed up my room a lot. Like, as you can see, this back corner is different. I decided to vlog today because like I don't know, I miss vlogging and doing chill vlogs. Today's vlog is not going to be like crazy, like I'm not going to be going out to like SF or anything. Today's vlog, I'm just going to be chilling, opening some PR, and probably gonna clean my room, eat some food. I don't know, it's just gonna be a very chill vlog. I got stuff from BoxyCharms and SHEIN. So yeah, I'm gonna start with BoxyCharms. So, funny story about BoxyCharms. I started getting BoxyCharms in like the summer. I never ordered it, and I don't know how I got on their PR list because I don't know how they got my address, but they did. So I started getting their boxes. I don't wear that much makeup, so I don't know why they would want to add me on their PR list, but I'm thankful. I have people do my makeup a lot, like my cousins or my friends, because they're really good at makeup and I suck at makeup. So whenever they do my makeup, I bring like whatever BoxyCharm gives me just so they could use it. I really like their boxes because like they have full-size products. So I'm gonna show you guys what they have in this month's box. First product they have is a Pretty Vulgar setting translucent powder, I guess. I only have a CoverGirl translucent powder, so it's nice to have this. No offense, but the CoverGirl translucent powder I have smells like grandma, so I'm so glad I have this because this one does not smell like grandma. The next product I got is a face mask. I love face masks. I recently got like the Alex 9 drawer. In one of my drawers I have all face stuff. I have like 20 face masks, a bunch of like face products and stuff, so I'm definitely gonna throw this in that drawer. This is just a charcoal face mask. I've never tried a charcoal face mask yet. I want to because they look pretty cool. I don't know what they do to your face. Like, my skin is pretty good, so I just use face masks for fun half the time, and maybe it'll help my face, I don't know. So yeah, I don't know what this does. Let me know if you guys know what charcoal face mask does. If it's good, I'll try it out. I see a lot of people using it on Instagram, so I'm probably gonna use this. It's by Cosmetics with the X at the end, and it's a detox activated charcoal mask. The next thing I got in this box is a Tarte lip gloss. I'm so excited about this. Funny story, the other day I was at MAC and I was about to buy like a lip gloss for like 18 bucks, and it's like a glittery lip gloss. And then I went home and I got my package, and then I realized they sent me a glittery lip gloss. Do you guys see how cute that is? You focus on this. Okay, you guys can see it now. It's so cute. And then the next thing I got was a Bodyography lip pencil. This is a really cute lip pencil. Like, it's a really cute color. Recently, when my friend was doing my makeup, she started lining my lips because I have really small lips. I don't know if you guys see this. My lips are not there half the time. So yeah, my friend started overlining my lips, and I really like it because it makes me want to have a lip injections, but then I'm scared of needles, so I'm not gonna do that. Oh, someone's calling me. Hey babe. Anyways, I was talking about this lip pencil because I have no lips. My friend started overlining my lips with her lip pencil, and I was gonna buy another lip pencil, but then I got this, and it's a really cute color, so I'm probably just gonna start using this because this is a nice lip pencil. And the last thing I got in this box is a Suba palette, and this is their Protege palette. It's really cute. I love the outside. It looks so modern and sleek. That's such a cute palette. So like they have like warm tones over here and like purple pinkish tones on top, and there's like a highlighting thing. I think these are highlighting colors, but it could also be like eyeshadows as well. This is so cute. I love this. So nice. By the way, BoxyCharms did not ask me to make this video. I just want to make a video for them because they literally send me a box every month, and like for nothing they just send me it just so I could enjoy it, and that's really nice of them. And I really actually enjoy their stuff. Like, their stuff is so nice. So this whole palette was probably over $100, and you're gonna be paying $21 for this, so that's really cheap. I'm gonna start with this now. So SHEIN always reaches out to me and asks me if I want to try out any of their new clothing, so I picked out like 6 items to show you guys. They're all really nice. I got a lot of coats for like the winter, so I'm just gonna try to cut this now. Hopefully I don't cut my finger off. They have a lot of tape on this box, so it's a little difficult. Oh, I got it. Yes. I think I got a lot of jackets, so that's why the box is so big. I like SHEIN's new packaging. Like, their packaging is so nice now. Like, they actually label their boxes, and it's very nice. So yeah, I got a puffer jacket. I got a fuzzy hoodie thing. I got a coat, a skirt, another skirt, and I got this coat thing. Wow. Oh no, this is a dress. So yeah, I got a dress. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got from SHEIN because there's a lot of clothing. Like, look at this. Thank you, SHEIN. You are awesome. So I decided for this video, I'm just gonna show you guys the clothing. If you guys want me to include this in my try-on haul, I definitely will. Just thumbs up this video to let me know and comment down below. I'm gonna start with my favorite thing. I'm so excited about this. I have so many things like this and I've wanted another one because I have like the jacket versions, but I don't have like the half zip because right now I've been liking a lot of half zips. Like I'm wearing a half zip right now from Branding Melville. So yeah, I really like this half zip. Oh my god, so this is so soft. Oh my god, this is so big. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, I feel like a big bear in his half zip. That's so cute. I will definitely be wearing this in the winter because I get really cold really easily. It's been pretty cold here lately. I live in California, so anything under 70 degrees is cold. So yeah, love this. It's so soft. I feel like a teddy bear. I love teddy bear jackets. It looks a little big, but it's a size small, so it probably will fit me. I'm excited to wear this. Like, I could wear this with like a black turtleneck inside, and that'll be such a cute, like, I don't know, Christmas outfit, I guess. I feel like that'll be so cute with like little boots, black boots or something. I love like zippers, but like the circle detailing. I don't know if I said that before, but I love that. It's so cute. This one's really cute. This one's green. That's really cool. So it's like kind of gold at the zipper, yellowish. It's just this velvet puffer jacket and it's in green. Very cute. I will definitely be wearing this because I'm cold as hell half the time. I got this in a size medium. Love it. So puffy. Love it. This kind of reminds me of the Branding Melville ones they've been selling for like 50 bucks. But I think this was like 20 something. Next thing I got is a skirt. Oh wait, this is the bottom. Oh no! It looks pretty nice. I think it's gonna fit me. Yeah. I really thought this was the top part and I was like, damn, that's not gonna fit my waist. But then I turned it around and this is the top part. It is so cute. Oh my god, it's like a tweed material. I've been really liking this lately. Really nice. I'm excited about this. I'm pretty sure I got this in medium. So yeah, if you guys are my size, I'm a size 27 waist. Get this in medium. Oh my god, are you kidding me? So, I was just raving about this skirt and then one of the buttons fell off. So, I'm just gonna have to sew that back on. Other than that, I love the skirt. Oh, this is so nice. It will be so cute to wear like a little skirt. Oh my god, I love this. Love it. It's so cute. It's like a coat. Oh my god, I wish I could try this on right now. See that? It's all the way. It's pretty long. I feel like it'll cover my skirt if I wear a skirt. So yeah, it comes with one button, so it's like very chic. It's another jacket. Ooh. Oh my god, this one's so soft. Oh my god. That's so nice. Like, this material is really soft. I was not expecting this to be such nice material because I think this jacket is very affordable. If you have a mom that likes coats, definitely check out SHEIN because they have really nice coats. Like, oh my god, this is so soft. See that? That's like fur. Oh my god, definitely not gonna get cold this winter. Thank you to SHEIN for sending me such cute clothing, and thank you to BoxyCharm for sending me such amazing makeup. Oh, this is what my room looks like right now. Pretty clean, fresh. Okay, the lighting is really bad right now because the lights are behind me, but we're just gonna ignore that and clean up real quick. So my desk is pretty dirty, but I'm gonna clean it off camera, so it's gonna be clean now. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna end off this video now because like I realized the PR part was really long. So yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys like my video, let me know. If you guys like the cleaning part videos, because I realized I posted like a cleaning video and a lot of you guys watched that. If you guys like that, let me know. I'll totally do more of that. Thumbs up this video if you guys want me to do more cleaning with me videos. I'm probably gonna clean the rest of my room now because it's very hectic. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, or follow me on Depop because I post a lot of clothes that I'm selling on there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Okay, bye.